Hi guys, Alyssa here with Diesel Power Products. Today we have the PPE Extra Capacity Oil Pan, designed specifically for the 01 to 10 GM 2500 and 3500 trucks with the 6.6 Duramax. The factory pan has an awkward hump in it with the drain plug sitting above, meaning every time you change your oil, there is dirty oil being left behind. This pan fixes that completely. Designed with a flat bottom so everything drains out properly. It's also made with cast aluminum and cooling fins, which help reduce oil temperatures and improve overall lubrication. You also gain an extra quart of oil capacity, which greatly affects the longevity of your engine. Install is a little more involved. You are dropping the pan and then resealing it, so plan for a little bit of time and a little bit of a mess. A couple things to watch out for. You'll need RTV for install, and make sure you allow the silicone to sit for an hour before filling it with oil. This does not work with medium-duty trucks like the Kodiak or the Top Kick. If you want cleaner oil changes, better cooling, and just a smarter design than stock, this is a super solid upgrade for your 01 to 10 Duramax. Get yours today at dieselpowerproducts.com.